Good morning. Welcome to
Math for Kids number 127.
Math for Kids number 127. We are practicing beginning geometry, and we're going to do another video today about angle chasing. So I have two parallel lines, AB and CD. Okay? And then I have some other lines that come across these lines. Line EF comes across, and in this line segment here, GH comes across. Now GH turns out to divide these angles, HGB and HGE, into X and 7X. So obviously this is not drawn to scale, right? Because it doesn't look like this angle is 7 times as big as this angle, does it?
Yeah.
But that's okay. And the only other thing we know is that this angle down here is 2X, where this line EF intersects this line CD. And what we're going to do, all we're looking for is the measure of this angle here in degrees. So this is based on a problem we saw in section 10.2, right? Is that 10.2? 10.2 of Art of Problem Solving's Prealgebra book. Okay? So we worked through section 10.2, so let's see if you can help me understand how to solve this problem. So talk to me about what you do.
This is 2x also, because opposites are the same.
Okay, this angle here is 2x, because opposite angles on intersecting lines are the same. That's good.
Well, this continues.
Okay, we could continue that line down here if we wanted. Okay, what would we learn there?
Because then we slide this up to here and here.
Okay, so we actually didn't need to draw on this line. That's fine. So the next thing, the next thing you want to do is take CD and slide it up to be AB, right? And when you slide that up, what angles do you suddenly learn about?
These are 2x.
These two angles are equal to
these
2x from down here. Okay, so write that up. 2x and 2x. Okay, very good. Now, have we learned anything now that you've understood that when you have parallel lines, the angles are equal?
I can see that 10x is 180.
Okay. How did you know that?
Because all these angles are in the arc.
Okay, so you have a straight line here. So you almost imagine like you have a little protractor here. Okay. This is a straight line right here, from A to B. And that straight line has 3 angles in it. Can you write what the addition is? 7x plus 2x plus x equals...
I bet it's on camera.
It probably is. You might be blocking it though. 7x plus 2x plus x equals 180.
Yeah, it's on camera.
Okay, what would have been a better way to write that? Instead of saying 7x plus 2x plus x equals 180,
Say that 10x.
What angle do you want to start with when you go across your arc? 2x
Plus 7x.
plus 7x plus x. So think of it that way. 2x plus 7x plus x equals 180. Okay. Now, do you see why that's better than thinking of it as 7x plus 2x plus x?
Yeah.
What made you think of 7x plus 2x plus x?
The larger to smaller.
Okay. Well, that's fine. But instead, it's probably best to sort of go across the angle. Now, how can you simplify your equation here?
It's just 10x.
10x equals 180.
So, x is 18.
How did you figure that out?
Divide by zeros.
What?
Cancel zeros.
Okay, so divide by
10.
Divide by 10. Okay, so x equals 18. Now, what angle were we looking for?
7x. So we gotta figure out what 18 times 7 is. 70 plus 56, which is 126.
Okay, so this is a 126 degree angle. This is an 18 degree angle. Now remember, I told you we didn't draw these to scale, right?
Yep.
And this is 36 degree angle. So the one last thing that we should just double check is 126 plus 30. Sorry, I did exactly the same thing you did. Let's say 36 plus 126 plus 18. Does that add up to 180? Well, let's see. That's 100. 30 plus 20 plus 10 is?
Is 60.
60, and 6 plus 6 plus 8 is?
Is 20.
Okay.
Yep.
And so that is indeed 180. So this is a 36-degree angle. That's a 126-degree angle. That's an 18-degree angle. And again, this is definitely not drawn to scale, right? Because it looks like the 126-degree angle is only about twice as big as the 18-degree angle. But that's fine. Your pictures in geometry don't have to necessarily be to scale. It sometimes helps a little bit if they are. But if they're not, it's fine. Okay, so what did we do here? First, we used the fact that opposite angles in intersecting lines are the same. Then we moved these two angles up, and we noticed that we got 2x and 2x here because CD and AB are parallel. Then we noticed that 2x plus 7x plus x is 180 because it's a straight line. Then we did a little algebra to figure out x is 18. Then this is the angle we were looking for, multiplying by 7. Okay, that is awesome. That is great angle chasing. Good job with this geometry problem today.